Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm going to help you to actually replace all of those expensive lightening cream that you actually used to buy to using this natural homemade remedy. Okay, so we're going to be adding few more ingredients to this, but do not worry, the ingredients are actually something you can actually get. It's very easy. Okay, but I'm going to be telling you which one is optional, which one you can actually skip. Okay, now if you're aiming to lighten up your skin, it is not basically bleaching. This particular one helps you lighten up your skin from within, okay, and it also helps to glow and nourish up your skin. So the very first ingredient which we're going to be needing, let us first of all use the cucumber. Okay guys, so I have some half cut of cucumber here. Let's actually make use of that. Okay, let's make good use of all of that. Okay, so after which you've cut that, then you would have to put that into this blender. So in here I'm gonna be adding just a little water since we're gonna be making a juice out of this. And then after that, then would have to blend this. Okay guys, so after that is done, so here is my cucumber juice, and I would love to sieve it into this bowl. Now if you cultivate the habit of taking cucumber juice, you're actually not going to be looking old, because this is an anti-aging drink. The percentage water in cucumber is so much that it's going to help to flush out any toxins in your body, and it's going to help to retain moisture onto your skin basically. So you're not going to be looking old, because your skin is always going to be looking moisturized. So what I'm gonna do is still sieving it out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be keeping my cucumber juice aside. Then the very next ingredients we're going to be making use of is going to be orange. Now you guys know that orange is one great vitamin C remedy. It contains a whole lot of vitamin C that helps to nourish up the skin and keep the skin rejuvenated. It keeps the skin moisturized, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to extract the juice from this orange. Kind of difficult to extract though, but still doing it. Alright guys, so you have to extract as much orange as you can, much orange as you possibly can, guys. So I'm gonna be cutting more orange into this. Okay. Alright guys, so after squeezing that out, I'm going to be putting my orange juice in there, watermelon juice, cucumber juice, sorry, and then also the very next ingredient you're going to be needing is lemon. Now for this particular lemon, you're not going to be needing too much. You're going to be needing just a little bit of lemon, okay? Just a little piece of lemon. You don't necessarily need to put too much. Obviously you don't, it's not a fat reduction drink, okay? So just a little will go a long way. And after that you would stir it. Okay, so the very last ingredient which we're going to be needing is this, and this is honey. Okay guys, so this is actually optional guys, okay? This is basically just to sweeten the taste of this my drink, yeah. So I'm going to be putting just 1 tablespoon of honey, and if you're actually using honey guys, make sure you use organic honey, okay? It's going to take me a little while for this honey to dissolve. Yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so this is my drink. Okay guys, so this is my drink, okay? So for this particular drink, you'd have to make it and you have to store it for as long as possible. Basically you're going to be putting it into your refrigerator, and then you are going to be enjoying this drink a whole lot. Okay, so this drink is going to help to brighten up your skin, it's going to help to glow your skin, and it's going to help to leave your skin youthful and very, very much beautiful. Okay, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna be having a take of it because I want my skin to continually look beautiful. Wow, this is so nice. Mm. Tastes great, tastes amazing, it tastes loving, it tastes everything is in this taste. Like, go give this a try, you know, to brighten up your skin and to make your skin look glowing, look young, look beautiful, and look amazing. Okay, so that's it. Drink this every morning for a youthful, beautiful, radiant, and wrinkle-free skin. So you can make this in a large quantity, store it into your jug, refrigerate it, and then you continually enjoy your juice. Beautiful, and it's simple to make. All of the ingredients are actually very, very reachable, right? So that's it, guys. Go give this a go and be consistent in taking it. It is very, very healthy. Okay, guys, so I will see you again in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and love you guys.